Good morning, it's June 16th, 2020. And what you're looking at is an original Allstate 6 by 16 inch ag tire that came off probably about a 1948 David Bradley walk-behind tractor. This came off the first David Bradley I bought about 10-11 years ago. And you can see when they painted the hood of the tractor, they either were drunk or didn't know what they were doing, and they got it on both sides of the tire, the red paint that is. And you can see how bad it looks, but I've always wanted to keep this tire, not to put on the rim, but just to keep it because it's an original. But look at this, hang on just a second. Now don't that look a lot better? Believe it or not, all I did is got a can of low gloss black Rust-Oleum engine paint, engine enamel. And at first I was just spray painting where they had red paint on this side, but when it dried it was the same color as the tire. So I cleaned it up with this stuff. It's awesome. Let's see, LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. It's dirt cheap. You can get it at Dollar General or just about any store, but it's the best cleanser I've ever used. It cuts through grease better than anything. But I use it to clean the tire, and you can see it did a good job cleaning it, and then spray painted it with that black low gloss engine enamel. Probably any low gloss paint would do. But it looks like a clean brand new tire. I'm going to clean and paint the other side and find somewhere to hang it up and just keep it in good shape. Just wanted to give y'all a quick look at it. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.